Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Versace Cologne is probably one of the most iconic and sought-after fragrances for men, renowned for its luxurious scent profile that effortlessly blends sophistication with a modern, masculine edge, making it a staple in many discerning gentlemen's grooming arsenals and a true testament to Italian perfumery craftsmanship. Number 5. Versace Eros Men's Eau de Toilette. Introducing Versace Eros, a fragrance designed for the man who embodies passion and desire. It's a scent that speaks of confidence and allure. Inspired by the Greek god of love, Eros, this eau de toilette captures the essence of desire. It's a powerful and intoxicating aroma. Experience a vibrant blend of fresh mint, Italian lemon zest, and green apple. These invigorating top notes lead to a heart of ambroxan, geranium, and sage. The base unfolds with a sensual combination of Madagascar vanilla, warm cedarwood, and earthy patchouli. It leaves a lasting impression of irresistible masculinity. Versace Eros is more than a fragrance, it's an affirmation of your desires. Wear it to make a bold statement and conquer your world. This eau de toilette is crafted for the modern hero, a symbol of strength and seduction. Let its captivating aroma enhance your natural charisma. What we like. This scent is a powerful blend of mint, lemon, and green apple, with a warm vanilla and woody base. It's perfect for those who want to make a statement and leave a lasting impression. If you're looking for a fragrance that's both sweet and fresh, and you want to stand out in any crowd, this is the one for you. What people say. It's a harmonious blend of fresh, woody, and oriental notes that come together to create a unique and masculine aroma. Even after hours of wear, the fragrance remains potent and doesn't fade away. Housed in a sleek and stylish bottle adorned with the iconic Medusa logo, it not only looks great on your dresser but also adds a touch of sophistication to your grooming routine. Number 4. Versace Eros Eau de Toilette Travel Spray. Discover the captivating scent of Versace Eros. This travel-sized spray is perfect for on-the-go freshness. Embrace the essence of desire with this iconic fragrance. Its alluring notes are designed to make a statement. Take your favorite scent with you anywhere. This convenient vial ensures you're always ready to impress. Its compact size makes it an essential addition to your travel bag. Enjoy its rich aroma whenever you desire. Let the invigorating fragrance awaken your senses. It's the perfect way to experience luxury on the move. What we like. Experience the iconic Eros scent in a travel-friendly format. This small vial is ideal for refreshing your fragrance throughout the day or for packing light on trips. If you love the bold, sweet aroma of Eros but need a convenient option for your busy lifestyle, this travel spray is your perfect companion. What people say. It really is authentic. Not only does it smell amazing, it has amazing projection. For it being an EDT, it lasts pretty long. It is a real compliment getter, and I usually use this for parties and is really effective in those types of scenarios. The bottle design is overall impressive, with it looking like a bottle you can have out on display. Number 3. Versace Pour Homme 5 ml Eau de Toilette Mini. Discover the essence of modern masculinity with this iconic fragrance. It's a scent designed for the confident and sophisticated man. Crafted with the finest ingredients, this eau de toilette offers a refreshing and captivating aroma. It leaves a lasting impression wherever you go. This convenient 5 ml mini size is ideal for travel or on-the-go touch-ups. Keep your signature scent with you at all times. Embrace the luxurious and distinctive character of this fragrance. It embodies the spirit of the Versace brand. Let this invigorating scent enhance your natural charm and presence. It's the perfect accessory for any occasion. Surprise someone special with this exquisite fragrance. It's a thoughtful gift that conveys sophistication and style. What we like. This fragrance offers a crisp, clean, and aquatic aroma with notes of bergamot, neroli, and cedarwood. It's designed for the modern man who appreciates understated elegance. If you prefer a lighter, more refreshing scent that works for both casual and formal occasions, this mini bottle is an excellent choice. What people say. This is a great scent. It is a very clean and fresh smell that is perfect for everyday wear. The cologne has a long-lasting fragrance that stays with you throughout the day. It has a sophisticated and masculine aroma that is sure to impress. Number 2. Versace Cologne Blue Mini Eau de Toilette Splash for Men. Discover the captivating scent of Versace Cologne Blue. This mini eau de toilette splash for men is perfect for on-the-go freshness. Crafted for the confident and modern man, its invigorating aroma embodies strength and charisma. It's a scent that leaves a lasting impression. This 0.17-ounce splash bottle is designed for ultimate portability. Easily slip it into your pocket or bag for a refreshing boost anytime, anywhere. It features a unique blend of citrus and aquatic notes, creating a fresh and dynamic fragrance. The initial burst of bergamot and grapefruit is truly invigorating. Experience the luxury of Versace in a convenient mini size. This eau de toilette splash offers the signature quality you expect from the brand. Looking for a sophisticated gift? This mini splash is an ideal present for any man who appreciates fine fragrances. It's a thoughtful gesture that shows impeccable taste. What we like. Dive into a fresh, blue aquatic fragrance with invigorating citrus and woody undertones. It's a contemporary scent that exudes confidence and style. If you're seeking a sophisticated yet approachable fragrance that captures the essence of Mediterranean freshness, this mini splash is ideal for you. What people say. Fantastic high quality, freshness in a bottle. I would recommend buying the whole 6.7-ounce bottle. If you like Chanel Blue or Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue Intense, then you should like this as well. I don't smell any sweetness, but I do smell some powder, spice wood and citrus scents. Great refreshing smell. My wife loves to compliment me on how good it smells. Good quality product. I'm an older gentleman and the fragrance suits my style. Subtle, warm, and inviting. Original product. Smells very close to Bleu de Chanel EDP. Number 1. RawChemistry Pheromone Infused Cologne for Men. Introducing a revolutionary fragrance designed to enhance your natural charisma. This unique blend is crafted to help you make a lasting impression. Infused with carefully selected pheromones, this cologne works with your body's natural chemistry. It's designed to subtly amplify your appeal. Feel the confidence that comes with knowing you're wearing a scent that's both sophisticated and alluring. It's more than just a fragrance, it's an experience. This is the perfect addition to your grooming routine. Elevate your presence and connect with others on a deeper level. Discover the power of attraction with this expertly crafted cologne. Make every encounter unforgettable. What we like. This cologne is uniquely formulated with pheromones to enhance natural attraction. It offers a distinct scent designed to make you more appealing. If you're looking for a fragrance that goes beyond just smelling good and aims to boost your confidence and charisma, this pheromone-infused option is worth considering. What people say. This fragrance is actually oil-based and alcohol-free, which makes it a bit more subtle and smooth as it settles in. You'll notice it's not greasy at all, but it does give the scent a soft longevity that's not too in your face. The scent is beautiful, elegant, and perfectly balanced, not too strong but still very noticeable. It lasts for hours on my skin, and the best part is that I receive compliments every time I wear it. First impressions. The cologne is warm and intriguing. I was immediately attracted to the bergamot and strong notes of spicy pepper. Today is the third day I have worn it, and I have for the first time been soothed by notes of lavender and a hint of citrus, maybe. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.